Hello guys, once again welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, please if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also share my videos. Remember to also click on the notification bell so that you can be the first person to get updates from me whenever I release a new video. So guys, I've also created a new WhatsApp group and the link is in the description box. Kindly click on it so that you can be able to join my WhatsApp group. So guys, today I'll be showing you a new site that you can actually claim free Litecoins for yourself. So guys, stay tuned while we jump onto this site. So there is this site called Lightspeak.io. So guys, don't worry about the link, it's in the description box. Kindly click on it so that you can be able to join this platform. So guys, when you come here, first of all you need to register an account with them. So you click on the sign up button. So this is the sign up. So you type in your username, your email, then you type your password, then you type your password, then you do this captcha over here. So I already have an account, so I'll not do that. So I'll just click on login. So guys, I'll just type in my mail. The captcha over here. So guys, I've successfully logged in and I'm about to claim some free Litecoins, absolutely free. I'll not pay anything and I'll not deposit anything. So guys, as you can see from here, this is my current earning over here. I've already claimed 0.0006000 LTC for free. I did not pay anything, I did not deposit anything. So guys, let me show you how you can actually claim the free Litecoins I'm talking about. So when you come to the dashboard of this platform, so you just scroll down, then you come here, you see this captcha over here. You need to do the captcha before you can actually claim your free Litecoins. So we will do the captcha right now. So the first one is HV2R. So you click on claim. So guys, as you can see here, we've successfully claimed 250 Litecoins for free, satoshis of Litecoin for free. So guys, as you can see from here, our current balance has been increased. So guys, this is really super cool. And when you register with this site and you sign and you verify your mail successfully, they will give you a 10% bonus that you can actually claim also. So as you can see from here, my 10% bonus is left with 3 over here. So I'll just click on bonus faucet. So when I click on bonus faucet, then I'll click on row. So guys, as you can see from here, I've also won another 250 LTC. So guys, that's all you basically need to do on this site to earn more Litecoins for free. So you can also click on the option tab over here, then you click on the affiliate button over here so that you can copy the share button, so that you can copy your affiliate link and share it with your friends and family. So I'll just copy my affiliate link over here. So after copying it, you need to share it with your friends and family, on your social media platform, so that you could be able to earn more LTC for free. So guys, that's all you basically need to do on this side. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it informative, like my video, share my video, and also comment on it. Stay tuned to Crypto Denzel TV. Thank you.